Hi everyone, a quick but important update from MCC Brussels. You might remember that back in 2024, we had a running battle with 3 Brussels mayors who tried to cancel the National Conservatism Conference we were involved in hosting. Well, the French-speaking court of first instance in Brussels has just delivered a landmark ruling on free speech and peaceful assembly in Belgium, and it's a major win for the rule of law. The court unequivocally condemned the Commune de Saint-Josse-ten-Noode after it tried to block the National Conservatism Conference. And what makes this ruling so significant is this. It follows 2 earlier decisions by the Conseil in 2024, meaning that now both the French-speaking and the Dutch-speaking judicial authorities have effectively spoken with one voice. That kind of institutional consensus in Belgium is rare, and it sends a clear message. The court's reasoning is extremely important. It said public authorities just don't have a duty not to censor, but they also have a positive obligation to protect people's ability to exercise fundamental rights, even when the event is controversial and when it attracts opposition. In other words, if a lawful conference is threatened by protests, the correct response is to protect the event, not to ban it. This ruling directly rejects the logic of the heckler's veto, the idea that speech can be simply silenced because somebody else threatens disruption. The court found that the ban was unlawful interference with constitutional rights, and it held the Commune responsible, including attributing fault directly to Mayor Irma Keur. Yes, symbolic damages were given, €1, but the legal precedent is anything but symbolic. What this means for Belgium is huge. From now on, any attempt to restrict freedom of expression or peaceful assembly will face serious judicial scrutiny in both language communities and at every level. This decision strengthens Belgium's constitutional democracy and makes something crystal clear. Controversial ideas cannot be silenced just because they provoke opposition. If you care about free speech in Europe, this is a ruling you should know about. Thanks for watching. See you at our next update.